Alright, this stuff has sat for about a minute. So I'm going to take a knife and slice up my banana. I don't always put this in here because I put it in about every smoothie I ever make, but banana is good for potassium. And they say it's good for, well, a friend of mine told me it's good for increasing testosterone production as well. I don't know. I haven't seen this association before, but a lot of things kind of look like what they enhance. like the walnuts, you know, in your brain. And kidney beans for your kidneys. The end of a carrot associated with an eye. You probably get the point here. Good stuff. Everything from nature is just magical to me. So I got this wild blueberry bag here. This is what I do. I do a lot of this stuff. This is kind of chunky. This is kind of a new bag. Dump in some here. This is frozen, so it's going to cool this down a lot. And that way it's really quick to be able to eat it. And yeah, we don't pussyfoot around with this stuff. Whatever I do, I pretty much blast it to the max. We want as much nutrition in that stuff as we can get. And then we got organic, dark, sweet cherries, again from Costco. That's where I got the wild blueberries as well. You can dump those in there. I only have a little bit left out of that bag. And off we go. Stir that in. Makes it really good. Actually, I have an enzymatic toothpaste from Young Living because all these blueberries will make my teeth look really, really dark blue. I get more in there. I like to have it like a third of it fruit. So you can see how the total volume of this stuff, which started half, is now practically up to the top. I'm not going to eat this much in one sitting, but I'll surely get through half of it. So that's it. You can throw in frozen strawberries or frozen berry mixes as well, but that makes a powerful breakfast there. One other thing that you can add, I have had this upside down so it's kind of down at the bottom, is tahini. Organic tahini is really good to add. I was able to get this at Kroger's, but the last time I checked, they didn't seem to have any anywhere. So I don't know what's going on with that, but this does add some calorie content, which is really good. This is another one of those things that I used when I had the leukemia because it's so perfectly nutritious without any negative side effects. I'm not sure about peanut butter yet. You can add peanut butter as well for more calorie content, protein content. But tahini is something that I use a lot of over the years and had really good results with it. So I just thought I'd mention that. Off we go.